Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we are looking at, of course, only a little more than 24 hours of the Windows updates going through. We know that, Dell PCs, some Dell PCs have their updates blocked. It depends on the generation of the Dell PC. Some people said that they got the updates. So that means that it's not every Dell machine. It's a specific set of machines that have Intel processors that are actually in there. One of the things that is also um, interesting is the background noise that I always look at from different blog posts everywhere. And it, you know, one of the things that probably scares people when we talk about fixing so many flaws at the same time, um, what comes to mind is so increasing the chances of problems also add a Windows update. And, I'm pretty sure that that went through a lot of people's minds. Now, it's only 24 hours, and sometimes it takes several days to a week to see the problems arise. So, right now, the background noise that I see isn't higher than usual, meaning, some people are having problems. There is always some people having problems. And, I'd like to remind that 99% of those people are in problems because of the way they use their PC. It's their fault, or it's some, program that's there, or it's some code from, maybe a bad driver, whatever. It always been the case. A lot of people are like, well, you're defending Microsoft. Well, I am, because 90% of PCs upgrade without any glitch every month. It's only a handful of people that always criticize. And most of those, sometimes when I start reading between the lines, I notice they use, optimizers here, cleaners there, all sorts of things. It's like, yeah, you're copying out Windows. And that's why it doesn't update now. And so, and some people might have, malware they don't even know. Sometimes third-party antivirus can interfere. So, it's a thing that happens. There's a basic, amount of people that have problems when they try to do Windows updates. And the thing is that, what I say it all the time, when you leave Windows alone with just what it has, you don't install any crap, any third-party antivirus, no cleaners of any kind, just the basic stuff you need to use. Those are the people that usually have absolutely no issues with Windows updates. So, but background noise for now looks okay. Nothing pops up really out of the blue. We'll continue, of course, monitoring. I do that all the time, because 24 hours is sometimes not enough to notice a pattern of some sort. So we'll keep an eye on that. Anything pops up, anything is, suddenly happening, we will talk about it on this channel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.